Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find always on display and lock screen. Let's tap on it. As you can see in the lock screen settings, on the very first position we've got the sleep option, so let's enter, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we've got 15 or 30 seconds, so quite short options, let's say, and 1 to 5 or 10 minutes. Right now I've got 1 minute applied. As you can see, this option is marked, so all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.